Hi everyone. So, are you a matcha lover? Then this video is definitely for you. So, as someone who adores matcha milk drink, I couldn't wait to share my passion and some exciting recipe with all the fellow matcha enthusiasts out there. So here I have used the A2 organic whole milk which I got it from Costco, and I got the matcha powder from Trader Joe. It has like 7 packet if I'm not wrong, and like it has like per serving, so I'm using that packet. So before using matcha directly, you have to follow this process. You should always strain the matcha powder. So use a tea strainer and filter the matcha powder well. Once it's been filtered, have a warm water, not the boiling water. So you're gonna use that warm water, and if you don't have a bamboo matcha whisk, you can either use the frother. So here I'm just going to use the frother, and I'm just adding a little bit of warm water. For that, I'm just frothing it. Froth it well, make sure that there is no lumps. Once it's been like thoroughly mixed, just add that to your favorite drink. It can be a hot milk or the milk which is going to have ice cubes, or you can have it with the hot water as well. So whatever you prefer. So if you add it with hot water, it's going to be matcha latte. You can have it like mixed ice and everything. So once you have put this, you can actually mix this and have it like a frappe. So this is the options which you can actually have it. So I just love just like this. I'm just going to mix, and don't forget to add some like sweetener, whatever you prefer. It can be honey, sugar, whatever you like. So I would like to prefer some sugar, so I would go for sugar. I do enjoy my matcha so much. Do try this matcha and let me know how it is going to be. So yum. So it is an alternative for your caffeine, I would say, because you're gonna be so addicted for this. Have fun, have a nice day, bye.